These are the defroster vents. They go up under the dash. This one has an extension tube that's twisted on. I'm not going to remove it. It seems pretty solid. This one, the tube is missing, and the flange is broken, missing a piece. And this is the piece I got from the shock absorber. It's a perfect fit. It's the exact same diameter. And what I'd like to do is tack it on here with the welder, and then use a piece of sleeve to solidify the joint and seal it up. So let me work on that and I'll get back to you.